All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using the coin to go up and down, when you want to basically exit your coins and make your profit, all kinds of different things on cryptocurrency. Today, we're going to be talking about Algorand. Algorand cryptocurrency. A lot of things going on with it. They got a lot of different projects. We're going to go over to the website. Right now could be a good position to get into it. The coin is slightly down a little bit. A lot of people have been asking me to do another video on Algorand, so we're doing that today. So basically, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Algorand is a great cryptocurrency. They have a lot of different projects. We're going to dig into the website. We're going to dig into a couple things. We're going to look at what's going up, what's going down, kind of get a good what's going on with Algorand. With that, we try to help spread the news about cryptocurrency to everybody on the planet. We want everybody to know about it. Most people don't know about cryptocurrency. That's why this channel is so valuable. Don't forget to share this with your friends so we can actually help your friends learn about cryptocurrency. With that, let's go ahead and jump over to Algorand. All right, over here at CoinMarket, Algorand is the 19th best cryptocurrency listed on CoinMarketCap. It's being traded at $1.77. It's down about 1% in the last 24 hours. In the last 7 days, it's down about 7%, almost 8%. Let's go ahead and click it. So if you take a look at a couple things here, number 19 is Algorand over here to the left. It's trading at $1.77 right here, which is kind of good. You can click right here to go to the website. We are going to go to the website in a second, so we're going to come back to that part. Moving over here, the circulation supply is at 61%. So 61% of the Algorands are actually being in circulation. There's 39% left still to be in circulation. So taking a look at the map, it's going down, it's going down, it's down a little bit, so slightly down right this second. What is Algorand? So Algorand mainnet became live in June of 2019 and was able to handle almost 1 million transactions per day as of December 2020. Algorand transaction metrics can be viewed. It says right here, the computer science at Massachusetts Institute of Technology and the founder of Algorand, he is a recipient of the Turing Award in 2012 for his fundamentals contributes to the theory and practice of secure two-party electronic cash, cryptocurrency, and blockchain protocol. This makes him one of the forecast creators of the crypto in the world. So right here we got the owner. He's basically doing real well with the founders of Algorand. What makes Algorand unique? Algorand was invented to speed up the transactions and improve efficiencies in the response to slow transaction times that Bitcoin and other blockchains had. Algorand is designed so that there are lower transaction fees as well as no mining. Like Bitcoin, energy-intensive process. At the base of the permissionable-less proof of stake POS blockchain protocol, says right here how many Algorand coins are there in circulation. The genius of Algorand blockchain stated that 10 billion algos was minted, the distributed and fixed to about 10 billion in the end of 2030. Rather than how is Algorand's network secure? Algorand blockchain is a permissionless proof of stake blockchain protocol. Unlike the proof of works blockchains where the root block must be validated by random selected validators using computer powers. In the proof of stake approach, all the validators are known as one and another and have to agree to the next blockchain in order to create a new block. Where can we buy Algorand? So here you go. You got a couple places. You got Coinbase, Binance, just to name a few here. So if you want your Algorand, definitely you want to go to these different places. Jumping over here to Algorand's website, just want to kind of do this real quick. By Algorand. So over here at the website, got a couple different things here. Now you can obviously hover here and it talks about the core protocols, the research, the white paper, Algorand wallet. Let's click this. So Algorand official wallet is built in by the team that brought you the Algorand blockchain. It's securely managed by Algorand's assets by earning rewards. So right here, you can kind of get your app for Algorand right there. Learn how to use the wallet, get started. So basically, you kind of click get started, set up your Algorand wallet, creating a new account, finding your Algorand address, recovering it. So all you really need to do is go here and click this set up your wallet. And it kind of gets you set up. The background to set it up, the initial setup, kind of walks your hands on how to do it. Another thing here on Algorand is the NFTs. This is a big subject matter. So creating NFTs on Algorand, enduring value, environment friendly, expanding the opportunity. Algorand technology is intentionally designed to support and include all asset types for the future of finance, including non-fungible tokens, NFTs. We believe in the long-term value that NFTs will bring in the new era of digital assets and are committed to ensuring that the success in the creation, management, and participations in digital economy. The enduring value of NFTs and Algorand, a critical role in the future of finance. Read more. So again, not going to go over all this, but for your NFTs, if you want to use your NFTs, you can do it on the Algorand blockchain. Pretty interesting. Jumping over here to the Algorand Twitter, November 29th and 30th in Miami, they're actually having a conference here, the world's first open permissionless conference, which is going to be real nice. So if you feel like going to a conference for basically Algorand, it's going to be in Florida, November 29th and 30th. It's going to be featuring conversations, networking, and hands-on sessions that explore future opportunities for blockchain-based solutions. Again, on the Twitter account, they got all kinds of good information here. So just kind of checking that out. So pretty interesting stuff here. I don't know if y'all noticed, Bitcoin's over 61,000. And I don't want to go over that. 61,000 for Bitcoin? Holy smokes, everybody. Over here at Robinhood, just want to show you this real quick. Take a look at this. Bitcoin, $62,000. And it's going up. So yeah, where was it 3 months ago? 3 months ago, 30,000. Now, 60,000. 90 days ago when we were talking about Bitcoin. I mean, holy smokes, everybody. It says $61,000 right now. So Bitcoin is up tremendously. Also, Ethereum, way high here, 3872. So Ethereum is off the charts. 3872. Again, where was Ethereum 3 months ago? 1,800. 1,800, 2,800, 30. It's actually doubled in the last 90 days. I mean, it's kind of crazy. So Ethereum is up right now, super good. And the last one is the Bitcoin Cash is at 632. So, checking all this out at Robinhood. One last thing on Algorand Foundation, it's building the borderless economy. The Algorand Foundation is dedicated to fulfilling the global promise of blockchain technology by leveraging the Algorand protocol and open source software. With initial design and the team of leading scientists with the core beliefs of establishment of opening public permissional blockchains, the Algorand Foundation has a vision of the extensive ecosystem that provides an opportunity for everyone to harness the potential of equity and a truly borderless economy. So right there, just wanted to give you a little glimpse of the Algorand. A lot of good things going on it. The coin is slightly down a little bit. So my price prediction is just keep taking a look at it. I think it's going to go up. I mean, Bitcoin is going up. Ethereum's going up. Don't forget, all our information on this channel is for educational purposes only. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Again, this was a bonus video, bringing it to you a little after 6 today, around 5:30, 6 o'clock. Just wanted to throw a little Algorand cryptocurrency out there. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Monday through Friday, we bring you a video every day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. We'll throw bonus ones in from time to time around 6 o'clock. Saturdays and Sundays, we bring you video every single day between 3 and 4. So, everybody, let's have an awesome day today. See you again tomorrow on Saturday.